Hi. Do you know how to get fidgets? Because I'm really poor.
Yeah, but I see you have this yellow thing. And yes, I think you are really poor. So you should go check on the hotel.
What hotel?
It's right there where the chairs are, and then you look, and it starts where the chairs are.
Okay. Okay, guys. He just told me that. So I'm gonna wait. So, okay, yeah, we're gonna go check it out. So I think it's over here. Over here. Where is it? Okay. It's right here. Okay. We need to enter the fidget. We need to find it. Where are they? Are they here? No. Okay. Let's check over here. A simple dimple. We found another one. Okay. A poppet. Okay. Now we're gonna go look for more. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, we got all of our fidgets. Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe and like. Okay, bye.